The following video contains graphic content. Viewer discretion is advised. Hello South Africa. It is Wednesday, June 15, 2022, and here is news in a minute. SA driver flips his truck after getting distracted by cell phone. Dashcam footage taken from inside a South African lorry cab this week has captured the moment a distracted driver ended up flipping his truck over. The clip, which has since gone viral online, serves as a stern reminder to us all about the do's and don'ts of road safety. Just after 1600 hours South Africa Standard Time on Saturday, June 11, the trucker in question was heading down a route he felt familiar with. Allowing himself some time to check his cell phone, the man behind the wheel starts sending text messages. He tries to keep his attention divided equally between his screen and the road, and for a brief time, he succeeds. But the driver's luck eventually runs out in spectacular fashion, when he peers over the dashboard and realizes he has left it too late to avoid an accident. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.